I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Now here search and select VBOUT. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for API key. Please visit VBOUT API console. Then click on API integrations under General Information. Copy this and paste it on Authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Choose List. Choose Contact Status. Now map the fields. Here is advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to VBOUT. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. Now let's go to the VBOUT. Here is the data that came into VBOUT through the integration. Thanks for watching.